So there are 5 channels into the enzyme, as you will see in the illustration of open complex. The NTP uptake channel allows ribonucleotides to enter the active site. So this is the first channel, which is a nucleotide entry channel. So it allows the ribonucleotides to enter into the active center. The second channel is the RNA exit channel, and it allows the growing RNA chain to leave the enzyme as it is synthesized during elongation. So if this is complex, here you can see the NTP channel, and then here you can see the exit channel, RNA exit channel. The remaining 3 channels allow DNA entry and exit from the enzyme. So DNA is also entered into the enzyme and exit from the enzyme. The downstream DNA, that is the DNA ahead of enzyme. So this is complex, though any DNA ahead of this complex is called downstream DNA, and this portion is to be transcribed. Enters the active center cleft in double-stranded form through the downstream DNA channel between the pincers. So there are 2 pincers, and in between these 2 pincers, here in this cleft is the active center cleft. This is, and here is the DNA entry channel, and DNA in double strand is entered from here, and this channel lies between the 2 pincers. Within the active center cleft, so inside the active center cleft, the DNA strands separate from position +3. So they enter in the double stranded form, and then they reach the position +3, and at the position +3 they then open up. The non-template strand exits the active center cleft through the non-template strand channel, NT channel, and travels across the surface of the enzyme. So when the DNA is open up, one is non-template strand and the other is template strand. So the non-template strand that exits from the NT channel. The template strand, in contrast, follows a path through the active center cleft, and exit through the template strand or T channel. So for the exit of this template strand, there is a separate channel which is called T channel. The double helix reforms at -11 position in the upstream DNA behind the enzyme. So any DNA which has been transcribed and which lie behind the this complex, this is called upstream DNA. So here in this illustration, you can see this is the NTP channel for the entry of ribonucleotides. This is the exit channel for RNA. This is the entry channel for double-stranded DNA. This is the exit channel for double-stranded DNA. And here are 2 channels, one here and one here. And these are for the template strand and non-template strand. So these 5 channels are present in this complex. 2 striking structural changes are seen in the enzyme upon isomerization from the closed to the open complex. So when this transition from closed to open take place, 2 structural changes also take place in this enzyme. And first of all, the pincers at the front of the enzyme, 2 pincers at the front of the side, they clamp down tightly. So this is if this is a DNA strand, so they clamp down tightly on the downstream DNA. Okay. Second, there is a major shift in the position of the amino terminal region of the sigma factor, sigma subunit. So there is also change in the amino terminal region of the sigma. When not bound to DNA, sigma region 1.1 lies within the active center cleft of the holoenzyme, blocking the path that in the open complex is followed by the template DNA strand. So when it is not bound to the DNA, so this region 1.1 actually blocks that channel, which is the channel of template DNA strand. In the open complex, when it is working, region 1.1 shifts some 50 angstroms and is now found on the outside of the enzyme, allowing the DNA access to the cleft. So first it is inside and it is blocking the DNA from entry, and when it is in the open complex, it is shifted about 50 angstrom away. So the channel for DNA is open now. Region 1.1 of the sigma is highly negatively charged. Just like DNA, DNA is also negatively charged. Thus, in the holoenzyme, region 1.1 acts as a molecular mimic of DNA. The space in the active center cleft, which may be occupied by either region 1.1 or by DNA, is highly positively charged.